Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Instagram post. First thing, let's launch the Instagram app. Then you want to head to the lower center of the screen. You want to click on the plus sign over here. You want to select the image or video which you're going to post. In our case, this is going to be our post. Then you hit next. There is an option over here to edit more or less contrast, to use I would say very faded filters, nothing crazy over here, but if you want to add some, you can. You can add music if you head to the upper center of the screen. This is just a pro tip over here. You can essentially pick a song. When you finish with all that, you can just press next again, and this is where the magic happens. After you finish with writing caption, metadata, hashtags, so on and so forth, you want to head to the first option beneath this. This is where you actually tag people, tag products, tag services. So there's a couple of options. On the lower end of the screen, you will see two options. First will be tag people, right? As you can see, there is no one tag over here, but we can click in the middle of the picture over here, and then we can say Apple, right? Boom, Apple is tagged. You want to move around the tag, you can put it on the phone, you can put it underneath the phone, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, it's all up to you, right? And underneath you will have the list of tags. For example, if I add another one, let's say, I don't know, Microsoft. Can we do it? Sure, Microsoft Store. And you see, this is how they appear. If you want to remove any tag, all we gotta do is to head down to the list of tags and you just hit the X sign. And guys, this is how simple it is to tag someone, product or service, company or individual on your Instagram post. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.